Hello and welcome. I buy this sub bread at Walmart for $1. I cut it in half and I freeze both halves. This is just half of that bread. It is a great way to save the bread from going bad. I like to try to take out some of the bread so it's not so thick. Then we like to load it up with ham and turkey and whatever meat we decide we want that night. Whatever cheese, and throw it all on there. Then I get it ready to go into the oven. I put the oven at about 400 degrees and I let it sit in there until everything is warm and the cheese is melted. And then I get the lettuce, onion, and tomato ready and I stick it in the fridge until we need it. It smells so good. Now you just want to put whatever you want on your sandwich and enjoy.